2025 marks a new beginning for the NE100cc, a compact, efficient, and budget-friendly motorcycle that's aiming to redefine what entry-level riding can feel like for new riders, city commuters, or anyone looking for a fuel-efficient companion without sacrificing style or performance. The NE100cc delivers a solid punch in a small frame. Right from the first look, the 2025 NE100cc stands out with a clean, refined design that feels both modern and approachable. The headlight unit has been given a fresh angular cut, paired with sleek indicators and a compact body frame that makes urban maneuvering effortless. The body graphics are sharp yet minimal, exactly what today's commuter wants. Practical with a touch of personality. Under the seat lies a 100cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, fine-tuned for low-end torque and maximum mileage. NE claims up to 70 km/h, and during our real-world test, the bike consistently hovered around 65 km/h, which is more than impressive for daily office runs, errands, or even short intercity rides. The throttle response is smooth and forgiving, making it ideal for first-time riders or those upgrading from a bicycle or moped. The suspension setup is basic but reliable. Telescopic forks at the front and twin, spring-loaded shock absorbers at the rear. It absorbs city potholes well, although on rougher terrain, you'll start to feel the limitations. But for urban roads and medium-length commutes, it holds its own. The bike's curb weight sits under 110 kilos, making it incredibly nimble and easy to handle, especially in traffic. The seat is long, well-cushioned, and slightly contoured for both rider and pillion comfort. Whether you're heading to work or making short deliveries, the seating ergonomics make sure you're never too tired. The analog-digital instrument cluster is basic, but legible, giving you all the key info like speed, fuel level, odometer, and indicators with a modern touch. Braking duties are handled by drum brakes on both ends, which are decent for the speed range of the NE100cc. A disc variant would have been a welcome addition, especially for riders who prioritize extra braking confidence, but NE keeps it simple to keep the cost down. And for this segment, it still performs safely and predictably. As for maintenance, the NE100cc is built with affordability in mind. Spare parts are low cost and widely available, and the engine is designed for minimal upkeep. It's a workhorse at heart. Reliable, simple, and economical. Even after prolonged usage, the engine doesn't overheat easily, and the chain, clutch, and throttle cables all feel sturdy enough to handle daily abuse. Where this bike really shines is in its price-to-performance ratio.